qiyam. The messenger of God, may God bless him and grant him peace, said, "There is no prayer for one who prays alone behind the row." The majority of scholars said it is permissible on the condition that he is excused and does not find anyone to pray with him, and the rows are complete in front of him. If there is a place in the row, he must complete it. Sujood is the prostration on the 7 limbs: the hands, the tips of the feet, the knees, the forehead, and the nose. And they are considered one limb. Any defect in one of them threatens to invalidate the prayer.
Takbeer, takbeer of ihram, while the back is bent, not straight, nor while standing completely. Some people do this when they enter the mosque in a hurry, and the imam is bowing, and they want to catch up with the ruku, so they make takbeer in the air while their back is bent. This is an incorrect takbeer that leads to the prayer being unacceptable, because it is one of the pillars of prayer. Takbeer should be said while standing completely and the back is straight. Then make another takbeer for ruku. Ruku? There are people who never feel tranquility in prayer. They peck it like a crow. Lack of ease in prayer makes it unacceptable, as if he had not prayed at all, as indicated by the hadith, "Go back and pray, for you have not prayed," when the messenger, peace be upon him, saw a man in the mosque praying this prayer. After ruku, some people snatch the standing position between ruku and sujood. The messenger, may God grant him peace, said, "On the day of judgment, Allah will not look at the servant who does not straighten his back between bowing and prostration." Every Muslim must maintain his full length during ruku and return the spine to its natural position, and the same applies to sitting as well.